Welcome to the tutorial. Today we will walk to how to use the Enjofy platform for lending, borrowing and yielding with your crypto assist. At first, so here lending with flexible terms and Sol USDC and others token. You can supply and borrow. Supply example Sol uh, supply API 51.55%. And next earn with liquidity. Example here USDC to USDT, Sol USDC and others token. And lending the flexible terms here supply and borrowing. And you can see portfolio here. You can check your portfolio and side bridge option. Here you can bridge your token and show here point daily claim here point, and you can see that. And here refer link, you can share your refer link. So here friends, you can join this. Thank you for watching the video.